While on the class trip to the Apollo Theater, 12 scholars purchased t-shirts. The scholars who purchased t-shirts represented 48% of the total number of scholars on the class trip. What was the total number of scholars on the class trip? We start our annotations by circling the quantity. 12 scholars purchased t-shirts. Next, we circle 48% of the total number of scholars. We underline the question, what was the total number of scholars on the class trip? We know that the 12 scholars who purchased t-shirts is 48% of the total number of scholars, so we'll update our annotations to reflect that. Now, we'll identify the part, the whole, and the percent. The 12 scholars who purchased t-shirts represents 48% of the total number of scholars, so 12 is a part of the whole. The question is, what was the total number of scholars on the class trip? Since total is another word for whole, the whole is unknown. %48 is given, and we can write 48% as a fraction with 48 as the numerator and 100 as the denominator. We begin to apply proportional reasoning by writing two equivalent fractions. We'll insert 48% into our proportion by writing 48 as the numerator and 100 as the denominator. A numerator represents part of a whole, so we'll insert 12 into our proportion as a numerator. We reasoned that we divided our numerator of 48 by 4 to equal 12. Since we divided our numerator by 4, we must also divide our denominator by 4. 100 divided by 4 equals 25. Our whole is no longer unknown. It is 25. To answer the question, what was the total number of scholars on the class trip, we write an answer statement. There was a total of 25 scholars on the class trip.